Sup! My name is Noll and welcome to CryptsRising. So this is a cosplay account, which means I will be doing a lot of cosplaying. I will be making cosplays, I will be giving advice on cosplays, I'll probably be vlogging in cosplay. A little bit more about me. So I'm 16 years old. I've been cosplaying for about 5 years. I don't think I'm good at it, but I do love doing it. And currently I am in a cosplay right now. I am in Hanahaki Jake English from Homestuck. So Homestuck is a webcomic. I'm doing the Hanahaki AU, so Hanahaki is a flower puking disease where a character will be in love with another character in an unrequited love, and they will get sick with Hanahaki, where they will grow flowers in their lungs and then cough them up. And, let's see. If they don't confess and it isn't, requited, after a certain set of time, they usually die. Let's see. Okay, so an alternate universe so you take the source material of whatever you're doing and you just tweak it a little bit. I'm explaining terminology as I go because it's easy and it helps, so I don't have to go back and do it later. Okay, so I do a lot of cosplay. I've been cosplaying for nearly 5 years. I love it. I love seeing the reactions I get from people. I love bringing characters to life, because a lot of characters I bring to life are my favorite characters, and then when I meet people who also agree with me, it's just so much fun. Also, I'm bringing the character to life. I love acting, and that's a big part of cosplay. I love it. I also love doing makeup, so there will be a lot of tutorials on here for that. There will be a lot of makeup tutorials for cosplay. There will be a lot of shopping. I'll show you guys what to get for beginner cosplays. There'll be a lot of making stuff. I made that a while ago. So yeah, it's just a lot of making stuff. I'm just showing some stuff I made. I actually made the flower crown too. Yeah. So yeah, I also have a little shop where I will be selling some of the stuff I make. So that's cool. I'll put a link to that in the description. Let's see. So I go to a lot of conventions, at least 4 or 5 a year. I'm planning on going more now that I have a YouTube, so I have a bigger reason to go, and that'll be fun. So there will be a lot of vlogging on here of me just in cosplay, meeting other cosplayers. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait. I can't wait. Hey, and that means I'll have a higher chance of meeting you guys. So yeah. So again, welcome to my channel. Please leave a comment, a like, a question. I'd love to answer it in another video. I think the next video I'm going to be uploading will be a video where I am making a cosplay. I actually have parts of it right here. I will be making these fins for a serious cosplay from Boku no Hero Academia. So they're not finished yet, and neither is the video, but I will be posting that next. And that'll be the first part. There's probably going to be about 3 parts in making these, because they're definitely not done. At least up to my standards. I have super high standards for cosplay. And I will tell you guys all about that as we go. Okay. Thank you for coming. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I really don't care, but welcome.